Hi, I'm Danielle.
And I'm Rochelle.
Off to the corner hiding. And we are the owners of Godiva Secret Wigs. And today this video is going to show you the 3 different types of adjustment straps that you can find in the inside back of your wigs. So most of our wigs are average size, although we do have some petite and some large. But all of the caps on the inside have a way to adjust them to make them a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. So we're going to go through the 3 different types of adjustment straps. I'm going to show you, and then Rochelle's going to do an up-close demo. So the first one, and the one you'll see in most of our wigs, is just this little elastic strap. And it's kind of like a bra strap. You're going to just pull it. So Rochelle's going to do an up-close demo for you.
Hello.
So she's literally just pulling the elastic strap. And just by pulling it, you're going to make the wig tighter. And then if you pull it out, you make the wig looser. And there's one of the straps on each side of the wig. Thank you, Rochelle Vanna.
Just call me Vanna.
So that is the elastic strap. So like I said, is the most popular. You'll see it on most of our wigs.
Love your hair, by the way.
Oh, thank you. I'm actually wearing Trixie with Roots in Creamy Toffee R, by the way.
Wow.
Thank you. So the next type I'm going to show you is just a little Velcro. So there's going to be a Velcro piece, again, on each side, and Rochelle's going to show you what to do with that. Glad your nails are so beautiful today. So that's the Velcro. So she's just taking it off, and she's going to move the Velcro back further if she wants it looser, or I think you got to go up
looser
a little for the camera, or in more to make it tighter. And again, same thing on both sides. Really easy.
Voila. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes. Now the last kind, and it's only in a few of our wigs, but I want to make sure you know how to do it, is with these little plastic hooks. So they're little hooks, and then you're going to see there's a few little slots that you can choose which slot to put it in. Again, on both sides. Here you go, Rochelle. Thank you, Danielle. So you'll see it's just a little hook, and you're going to see there's like a bunch of different little slots almost that you can put it in. You see that? So there's the different slots. So you're going to pick which slot to put it in. The closer you put it towards the tag, the tighter it's going to be. The further away from the tag, the looser it's going to be.
One on each side.
Yes. So those are going to be the 3 different ways to adjust your wig to get it to fit you perfectly. Hope that helps. Bye.
Bye.